Hello and welcome to our channel Bright Knowledge, where we explore the world of health, nutrition, and food and share delicious recipes with you. Today, we are going to dive into the comforting and nourishing world of soup. Soup is a versatile dish that can be enjoyed in many different ways, from a light and refreshing gazpacho to a hearty and satisfying clam chowder. Not only is soup delicious, but it's also packed with nutrients and health benefits. From ancient times to the present day, soup has remained a staple food in many cultures around the world. In recent years, soup has gained popularity as a health food, with many people incorporating it into their diets for its numerous benefits. In this video, we will explore the benefits of soup and why it should be a part of your daily diet. Soup is a liquid dish that is typically made by combining various ingredients, such as vegetables, meat, poultry, seafood, or grains, in a pot with water or stock. The ingredients are simmered together until they are fully cooked and the flavors are fully infused. The result is a flavorful, nutritious, and warming dish that can be enjoyed as a standalone meal or as a starter or side dish. Soup can be served hot or cold, and it can be customized to suit individual preferences and dietary requirements. There are countless varieties of soup, ranging from classic chicken noodle soup to creamy tomato soup, spicy chili, and hearty vegetable soup. Benefits of soup. Soup is an excellent source of essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. When you make soup, you can use a variety of vegetables, grains, and protein sources, which means that you can create a nutrient-dense meal that is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. For example, chicken noodle soup is a great source of protein, vitamin A, vitamin C, and iron. Lentil soup is high in fiber, protein, and folate, while tomato soup is a great source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Soup is an ideal food for people with digestive issues or those recovering from an illness. The liquid nature of soup makes it easy to digest, which means that the body can absorb the nutrients more easily. Additionally, soup is often made with ingredients that are gentle on the digestive system, such as bone broth, which is rich in amino acids and easy to digest. Soup can be an effective weight loss tool, especially when it is consumed as part of a balanced diet. Additionally, soup can help you feel fuller for longer, which means that you are less likely to snack or overeat between meals. Soup is a great way to stay hydrated, especially during the winter months when the air is dry and cold. When you make soup, you use a lot of liquid, which means that you are getting a lot of water in your diet. Additionally, soup is often made with ingredients that are naturally hydrating, such as vegetables and fruits. Soup can be a great way to boost your immune system, especially if you use ingredients that are rich in vitamins and minerals. For example, chicken soup is a traditional remedy for colds and flu, as it is high in vitamin C, vitamin A, and zinc, all of which are essential for a healthy immune system. All you need is a pot, some ingredients, and a bit of time, and you can create a flavorful, nutritious meal that will keep you full and satisfied. Additionally, soup can be made in large batches and stored in the fridge or freezer, which means that you can enjoy it for several meals. Soup is a cost-effective meal that can be made with inexpensive ingredients, such as beans, grains, and vegetables. Soup can help reduce inflammation in the body. Many soups contain anti-inflammatory ingredients such as turmeric, ginger, and garlic, which can help to reduce inflammation and ease pain. In addition, bone broth contains chondroitin sulfate and glucosamine, two nutrients that are known to help reduce inflammation and joint pain. Soup can help support heart health. Many soups are made with heart-healthy ingredients such as vegetables, legumes, and lean proteins. In addition, soups that are made with broth can help to reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering blood pressure and reducing cholesterol levels. Provides nutrients. Soup is a great way to get the nutrients you need. Many soups are made with a variety of vegetables, which are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. In addition, soups that are made with bone broth are rich in nutrients such as collagen, gelatin, and amino acids. These nutrients are important for maintaining healthy skin, hair, nails, and bones. There are many different types of soup, each with its own unique flavor and health benefits. Here are a few popular types of soup. Chicken noodle soup is a classic. Tomato soup is a comforting and delicious soup that is made with tomatoes, broth, and seasonings. It's a great source of vitamin C and lycopene, an antioxidant that has been linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer. Minestrone soup is a hearty vegetable soup that is often made with beans, pasta, and a variety of vegetables such as carrots, celery, and zucchini. It's a great source of fiber, protein, and nutrients such as vitamins A and C. Lentil soup is a nutritious and filling soup that is made with lentils, vegetables, and broth. Lentils are a great source of plant-based protein, fiber, and nutrients such as iron and folate. Miso soup is a Japanese soup that is made with miso paste, broth, and seasonings. It's a great source of probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut, and is rich in nutrients such as vitamin K and antioxidants. Gazpacho is a cold soup that is made with vegetables such as tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers. It's a great source of vitamin C and other antioxidants and is a refreshing and hydrating soup during the summer months. Here's a basic recipe for vegetable soup that you can customize to your liking. Heat a large pot over medium heat. Add the onion and garlic and saute until soft and fragrant, about 3 minutes. Add the carrots and celery and saute for another 5 minutes. Add the diced tomatoes and broth and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat to a simmer and let cook for 20 to 30 minutes, until the vegetables are tender. Add the chopped kale or spinach and let cook for another 5 minutes. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Customize this recipe by adding your favorite vegetables, herbs, and seasonings. Soup is a nutritious and delicious comfort food that offers a host of health benefits. Whether you're looking to lose weight, boost your immune system, or support heart health, soup is a great addition to any diet. Thank you for watching our video on soup. We hope you enjoyed learning about the different types of soup and their health benefits. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and food-related content. Also, please let us know in the comments which soup recipe you are excited to try at home. Thanks for watching.